going to continue studying the past perfect, but in this opportunity, we're going to use until. We have a definition. We often use the past perfect in sentences with until to ask a yes/no question. So this is the only way to use until in past perfect. So pay attention on the structure and please follow the structure, okay, if you want to use until in sentences using past perfect. Okay, you have to write until, then any subject, past tense, remember past tense. Then we have to add had. Had is a past tense of have. Okay, remember? Subject, then ever, the word ever, then a past participle verb. Remember, past participle verb, you can use a regular or irregular one. And the complement, and don't forget a question mark. So just follow the structure and you won't have any problem doing sentences like this, okay? Okay, let's read the first one. This is the first example. Remember, we just following the structure. Until you went to China, what happened? Now what happened? Had you ever been to another country? Let's read the sentence again. Until you went to China, had you ever been to another country? So this is in a very good example to use until. We have the past tense. Then, before you start the question, please don't forget to place a comma, okay? And this is a yes/no question form, okay? So we have two ideas, okay? Until you went to another China, until you went to United States, until you went to Mexico, until you went to Costa Rica, until you went to any place. Had you ever been to another country? Okay, so you got the idea, right? So let's read the second one. Until he turned 20, had he ever driven a fast car? Until he turned 20, okay? Had he ever driven a fast car? Remember the yes/no question form in the past perfect? Remember we used to had, then the subject, ever, and this is the past participle verb. The third example, until she got married with that guy, had she ever met anybody else? Okay, that's a good question, right? Until she got married with that guy, had she ever met anybody else? Okay, and then another one, the last one. Until they decided to go bungee jumping last week, had they ever tried another extreme sport? So you can build any sentence using until. So remember, you use until, then any verb, okay? Any verb, but in the simple past. And then the yes/no question form, but in the past perfect. All you have to do, like I said at the beginning, is you have to follow the structure and then you won't have any problem. Okay, this is all for today. So I will see you in the next class. Bye.